Welcome back. Well, new June 2023 Labor Department data is providing some relief for our wallets. Inflation cooled to its lowest level in more than 2 years. The White House saying that this is proof that their, quote, Bidenomics is working. ABC's Justin Finch is in Washington with more.
New economic data finding American households are able to stretch their dollar further today than 1 year ago. The U.S. Consumer Price Index, which measures how much households spend on average for goods and services and is used as a gauge for inflation, finding welcome news that for 12 straight months, inflation appears to be easing. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics finding June's consumer prices were 3% higher than a year ago, marking the lowest increase in more than 2 years, tumbling from last summer's peak when prices were 9% higher year over year. Staples like meat, fish, and dairy down slightly in June from May. Airfares dipping 8%. Used car prices down, with new car prices flat. The stock market reacting.
We were anticipating something that was going to show a good bit of progress, and what we got this morning was even better.
The inflation cool down follows the June jobs report showing U.S. unemployment at 3.6%, the economy adding 209,000 jobs. The White House attributing that growth to Bidenomics, its effort to expand the economy through job creation, lowering costs, and U.S. investment. The Fed now weeks away from its July interest rate meeting. Many expect rate hikes will pick up again, as this investment portfolio manager explains on Bloomberg TV.
Because this is not going to get the Fed to start cutting rates. All this does is get the Fed to probably pause for an extended period, keep rates elevated. We need to see weakness in the labor market before they start cutting rates.
While the U.S. economy is showing momentum, the U.S. Treasury Secretary cautions a recession is not fully off the table, as Republicans argue inflation remains too high and wages too low. Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.